To a manufacturing company, unexpected downtime can mean millions in lost revenue. With Microsoft Cloud for Manufacturing, companies have secure access to their distributed assets, allowing for predictive maintenance and increased asset productivity. Keeping Contoso Chemical running on schedule is a team effort between Contoso's staff and their trusted suppliers, like Litware Inc. Sean at Contoso Chemical can review insights into the operational status of their equipment and detect anomalies. Based on Microsoft partner-enabled AI-driven insights, a maintenance manager can approve the maintenance plan. From there, he reaches out to Litware to service this piece of equipment. Tricia, Litware's maintenance scheduler, can assess the case and schedule a technician who can perform the service at a time that fits with Contoso's maintenance window. Contoso is able to do all of this and monitor the cybersecurity of the factory floor, allowing for rapid detection and remediation of threats. With Microsoft Cloud for Manufacturing, Contoso can detect anomalies, plan maintenance with predictive analytics, and improve the overall effectiveness and throughput of their factories.